Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chevy Colorado headlights. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and gathering a 10 mm socket, trim tool, and gloves. Work in a well-lit area and keep small parts organized in a tray. Remove the grille clips first to access mounting bolts, then loosen the headlight housing bolts carefully. Take photos as you go to aid reassembly and prevent mistakes. Begin by releasing the plastic grille clips with a trim tool to avoid damage, then remove the two upper bolts that secure the grille. Pull the grille forward gently to expose the headlight mounting points and lay it on a clean surface. Keep track of clip orientation and bolt sizes for reassembly. If clips resist, recheck for hidden screws to prevent snapping plastic or misaligning the grille during removal. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical videos. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your rig smelling great while you work, because nothing kills vibes like a stinky car during a hands-on job. Check the description for the link and more deals, and if you pick one up, I appreciate the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the grille out of the way, unplug the headlight connectors and depress any retaining clips to release them cleanly. Remove the 3 to 4 bolts that secure the housing while supporting the assembly to prevent it from dropping. Gently wiggle the housing free, checking for hidden fasteners or tabs. Inspect bulb sockets, pins, and rubber seals for wear, and replace faulty components to ensure a weatherproof, secure reinstallation.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.